Hey guys, Alicia here. Well, I just made my first huge YouTube mistake and I accidentally deleted a video I made a couple of days ago because I'm using this free screencast to record it with. There was no way for me to get it back. So I'm going to redo it. So that was a lesson learned. I am revisiting where I am currently at for monetization. Gosh, I'm so upset over losing that darn video because I had comments on it and I was about to comment back to somebody who had commented on it, and I went to go add it to a playlist and deleted it. Ugh. Okay, so right now, here's where I'm at. And I'm really proud that in just the short 3 months I have grown, and I really need to concentrate more on making better video content and also editing. So right now, I haven't violated any copyright status or community guidelines. I am in good standing with YouTube. I am not enabled yet for monetization. I do want to say that there are other ways to monetize your channel. Try some affiliate marketing, possibly. There's just all kinds of things you can do if you do the research, and I won't go into that. That's a different video. So right now I am in good standing. The last video that I did on this, I was at 132 watch hours and I had 37 subscribers. So if we click over here to monetization, I am now at 223 watch hours and I have gained 10 subscribers just in 2 weeks. So that tells me that a lot right there. So I just need to amp this up and really work very hard at learning and making better video content. I have also, in the last couple of weeks, realized my niche and what I would like to do. And I think everyone should live a beautiful life, a life that they want, a life that they deserve, and especially after the week I've had at work, I'm more motivated than ever. So, I do not think that YouTube has unrealistic expectations of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to be considered for monetization for Google AdSense, which I have requested, but it's going to be pending for quite a while. So, if you like this channel, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I could use all the support I could get, and I'm really upset I had to redo this video. Thanks everyone, and I hope everyone has a great day.